Are you wondering if now is the right time to finally start that home project you've been dreaming about? Well, here's the truth. Waiting could actually cost you more, not just in money, but in peace of mind. Stick around, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest reasons why 2025 is shaping up to be the smartest year to invest in your home. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Over the last 35 plus years, helping San Antonio homeowners, we've seen how the right timing can make all the difference when it comes to home improvement projects. Today, I'll share the 5 biggest reasons why starting your project in 2025 can save you money, reduce future headaches, and help you love your home even more. And before we get into it, if you're into clear, honest advice for improving your home, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. We'd love to keep helping you plan smarter. Elephant in the room, right off the bat, let's talk about cost. Construction costs, materials, labor, you name it, have risen year after year. Whether you're thinking about windows, siding, or a new entry door, locking in 2025 pricing now could save you hundreds, if not even thousands of dollars compared to waiting just one more year. One of the biggest changes we've seen in home improvement over the years is how flexible payment options have become. Whether you prefer to pay upfront or spread it out, if you've been saving for your project and you're ready to pay in full, that's fantastic. Many contractors, including us here at Southwest Exteriors, offer valuable cash discounts when you choose to pay upfront. On the other hand, if you'd prefer to keep more cash on hand, affordable financing options like low or zero interest plans are available to make your project comfortable without adding financial stress. Either way, it's all about what works best for you and your family. The key is you have options, and 2025 could be the perfect time to take advantage of whichever path makes the most sense for your situation. Home values in San Antonio and across Texas are still climbing. Investing now in upgrades like energy-efficient windows or new James Hardie siding not only makes your home more beautiful and comfortable, it also builds equity for the future. Putting off repairs or improvements can cost more later. Small issues like drafty windows or worn siding almost always grow into bigger, more expensive problems. By acting now, you're protecting your home, saving on potential emergency fixes, and giving yourself peace of mind. 2025 is shaping up to be another strong year for energy efficiency incentives. Upgrades like new windows, insulated siding, or energy-saving doors may qualify you for federal tax credits, rebates, and lower utility bills, meaning you'll keep saving money month after month. If you're curious what your project might cost, we've made it easy. Check out our free instant pricing calculators for windows and siding on our website. No obligations, just real numbers you can use to plan. And if you're in the San Antonio area, Southwest Exteriors offers transparent, everyday pricing and a no-pressure consultation process to help you move forward when you're ready. Bottom line, 2025 is the year to take control, protect your home, and invest wisely, all without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more expert home advice. We'll see you next time right here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.